Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's thrilling adventure on YouTube. Get ready to witness a jaw-dropping unboxing and installation of the incredible audio control 6x9 speakers. These speakers are packed with mind-blowing features that will take your audio experience to new heights. First up, we have the edge-enhanced steel frame, which provides unparalleled structural strength. This ensures that your speakers will withstand even the most intense audio sessions. But that's not all. The black anodized voice coil former plays a crucial role in dissipating heat, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your speakers. And of course, we can't forget about the linear double-roll surround. This incredible design feature allows for precise cone movement, resulting in crystal-clear audio reproduction. But what truly sets these speakers apart is the complex fee-designed high-efficiency. Motor. This motor maximizes the power output while maintaining a high level of energy efficiency. The rigid poly-mica-coated cone further enhances the sound quality by optimizing sound reproduction to perfection. Why? But wait, there's more. The rear-dampened hybrid silk dome tweeter extends the frequency response, delivering those delicate high frequencies with accuracy and finesse. With a concentric point source design, you'll experience a seamless transition from the mid-range to the tweeter. Say goodbye to any awkward gaps or inconsistencies in your audio to ensure an exceptional off-axis frequency response. These speakers also come equipped with a sonic diffuser and radiant collar. Every corner of your audio space will be filled with immersive, well-balanced sound, and to top it all off, high-quality mounting hardware is included. You'll have every. So, gear up and get ready to elevate your audio game with the Audio Control 6x9 speakers. This is a journey you won't want to miss. So make sure to stick around for the amazing installation process coming right up.
I know it, but I'm confused on what the deep boy I'm throwing. Man, it's mandatory, just a punch and blow it. And if I do fall for you, I refuse to show it. So if you think I ain't kidding, man, that shit is absurd. I stay balling, I'm feelings, I'm fucking with your herd. You say it down for me, shit, but that's only words. You gonna show me love, bitch, I'm gonna play with a bird. So regardless of the record, bitch, go get the cheddar. And keep Big Daddy riding 2-3s or better. Wheels on the gas, a little peanut butter leather. Like that now, we can blow up together. What's the sky to a elevation.